R.K. Lakshman is no more the master cartoonist, the great illustrator, and the absolutely legendary humorist cartoonist R.K. Lakshman, who created the iconic character which inspired millions for more than 50 years, passed away at the age of 94 in Pune. There will never be another Lakshman, an institution unto himself who dared to go where others couldn't, and most importantly, gave voice for decades to the common man. I just want to start with a little quote of R.K. Lakshman speaking about the common man. He said, "The common man symbolizes the mute millions of India, or perhaps the whole world, a silent spectator of marching time." And he went on to say, a gloomy forecast about the increase in the cost of living, an additional tax burden, terrorism, endless scams, walkouts, water shortage, power failure items that greet the common man as he wakes up and glimpses the headlines in the morning paper. For the past 50 years, he said, his saviors, that is the common man's saviors, have borrowed from various financial institutions and taxed the people to improve the lot of the common man. Plans have been drawn up for building mammoth bridges, dams and roads, all to help the common man. Poverty, disease, ignorance have increased over the years. Thus, in the name of the common man and his well-being, enormous expenses are incurred in the travels of ministers, cars, security, housing and so on. A Gandhian once remarked, serving the common man has become too expensive. In our days, it costs nothing. Joining me on top of the news hour this evening, Sudhir Telang, legendary cartoonist himself. Sudhir Dar, man who all of India respects greatly, one of India's most veteran and respected cartoonists. And Dr. Hemant Morparia. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining me today. I'd like to first go across to Sudhir Telang. Sudhir Telang, today, in our newsroom and elsewhere, people who have who've been born in many generations and many generations after R.K. Lakshman all empathized with this figure. There were people out there where the common man statue is in Worli Sea Face in Mumbai who were garlanding him. What has made the common man such an institution, and what is the legacy of R.K. Lakshman?
Arnab, I'm just holding this little statuette of R.K. Lakshman's common man in my hand, and it was created by Times of India during the sesquicentennial of Times of India, when it completed from 150 years. Today is a very, very sad day for the art of cartooning, for journalism, and for I think freedom of speech also. And I think it's a very, very symbolic thing that on Republic Day of India, when the Constitution was implemented and when freedom of speech also was given to us by the Constitution, R.K. Lakshman's going away today, his departure today, is a very symbolic thing also, in the sense that he represented freedom of speech. His common man represented, although his common man never spoke a single word in his 50 years on front page of Times of India. He was always a presence somewhere in a corner of the scenario in his pocket cartoon. But he was the biggest voice of the voiceless masses of India. And today we have lost that voice. And at a time when I would say that if Shankar Pillai was the Dada Sahab Phalke of cartooning, then R.K. Lakshman was Dilip Kumar of cartooning. And nobody can say that generations of cartoonists have grown up watching R.K. Lakshman's cartoons and have been influenced by his cartoons, and we have learnt quite a lot from his cartoons. No cartoonist has been to an art school. Most of us, like me, I'm a self-taught cartoonist. R.K. Lakshman was also a self-taught cartoonist. But we have learnt right from our childhood. Where do you learn cartooning from? You learn from the masters. We have learned cartooning, watching cartoons of say, R.K. Lakshman or Sudhir Dar or Abu Abraham or Mario Miranda or Vijayan or Kutti. So R.K. Lakshman's contribution to the cartooning is absolutely great. But at the same time, I would also say that if today, I won't say that today we enjoy a very huge stature in newspaper hierarchy, but R.K. Lakshman created a huge status or in the hierarchy of newspapers for the cartoonists.
Yeah.
He gave respect to the profession of cartooning.
Yeah.
I ask you, how many editors do you know? Times of India. You
Yeah.
won't be able to name even two. But if anybody asks that who was the cartoonist of Times of India, you'll say R.K. Lakshman.
Absolutely.
That is the power of R.K. Lakshman. That is the
Absolutely.
power of cartooning.
Yeah.
And at a time when cartooning is a dying art form,
Yeah.
R.K. Lakshman's departure is a really very sad thing. And
Yeah.
I offer my condolences to his family.
Absolutely.
And I think it's a very sad day for cartooning.
Absolutely. I'd like to go across next to Sudhir Dar. Sudhir Dar, what are your
Yes.
memories? What are your memories, Sudhir Dar, of R.K. Lakshman? And somewhere, Mr. Dar, if I may say so, today politicians take themselves so seriously. You know, some think they are the common man, others think that they are gods. But the fact is that, you know, there is a need to put them down to earth, to bring them crashing down to earth even more today than ever before. But there is no common man who will do that now. So he leaves that strong legacy behind. What is your memory of R.K. Lakshman?
I'm flooded with memories, Arnab, because I knew him for 60 years or more. Even before I became a cartoonist, I used to go to see him in his Times of India office when I was working with Air India in the 50s. And he said to me once that, please don't come to see me before 3:30 because his cartoon had to be flown across to Delhi to appear in the Times of India edition in Delhi. And there were no computers in those days.
Right.
So it was a glorious period, and I can't tell you how fortunate I feel that we've lived through that golden age. We have given pride of place in our respective newspapers. We were on the front page, which was a great tribute to, let's say, the father of the cartoon, which was Shankar, because his cartoons used to appear on the front page. And that tradition was carried on all through. We were the second generation of cartoonists. Lakshman, Abu, Mario, Vijayan, Rajinder Puri, myself, Kuti, and some others. And this was really a wonderful period because, you know, we were like, you know, we enjoyed such enormous exposure, such popularity. We had such fantastic platforms. Lakshman was a born genius. He was a national treasure, I would say, and I think he was the true blue Bharat Ratna of this country. And I can't tell you, you know, I'm flooded with stories, as I said. You know, I mean, there's such lovely incidents that flash, come back to my mind. For instance, one day at the Hindustan Times, I was sitting in my office, and suddenly I look up and there's Lakshman. He'd come on a visit to Delhi, and he dropped by, just dropped by to see me. And we chatted for a while, and I said, I want you to do me a sketch of the common man. So he did a sketch of the common man. I have that sketch with me. I framed it as a prized possession, and I'll show it to you and to the viewers. You'll have to bring in the camera closer. It shows the common man reading the Hindustan Times, and he's saying, "But you must read the Times of India." That was Lakshman's sense of humor. He produced this within minutes. You know, I mean, it's so telling. You know, really, hats off to him.
Absolutely.
And there were so many other occasions. We were together in Bremen, in Germany for an India week, and I remember he had brought a few cartoons with him, but he wanted to do some caricatures of the prominent political personalities of the time, and he hadn't brought any of those. So I saw the man at work. I mean, he had strips of paper, and he was doing Morarji Desai and Charan Singh and Jagjeevan Ram and Indira Gandhi, and within seconds, you know. I mean,
Absolutely.
you know, I mean, it's such a delight to see the man at work. And I asked him for I said, do me a common man. So I said, he did a common man, and I said, sign it, because I asked twice. He signed twice, R.K. Lakshman, R.K. Lakshman. I mean, that was a delightful sense of humor. I mean, there was so much else that, I have to thank him for, because he was a trailblazer.
Absolutely. Absolutely, Mr.
He was the
Dar.
cream of the crop.
Yeah,
Absolute
absolutely.
cream of the crop.
Finally, to Hemant Borparia. But what happens? My question to Hemant Borparia would be: what happens to cartooning? It was so much part of our lives. It was there in the front pages. There was a lot of irreverence. Mr. Borparia, the biggest political leaders were brought crashing down to earth, from Nehru to Indira Gandhi to Rajiv Gandhi and everyone else. Can we do that today? Does that kind of cartooning exist, or do we have to pull our punches?
I think it still exists. There is no problem with pulling punches or not. But certain subjects have become kind of taboo. But we can still, we don't have to, pull our punches. We can say exactly what we want. But certain topics are taboo. But I think they were taboo even then. I don't think Lakshman also didn't quite, take subjects which are exactly taboo now.
Yeah. Yes, Mr. Telang.
I'd like to say something, please.
Yes, Sudhir Dar. Go ahead.
No, Sudhir Dar.
Yeah, Sudhir Dar, go ahead.
Lakshman was a master of line. He was a master of line, but he knew where to draw the line. But during the emergency, there's a story that Mrs. Gandhi complained to his brother, his elder brother R.K. Narayan, the novelist, that your brother is constantly attacking me. He doesn't spare me. And Narayan said to her that this is my brother. He won't spare you, because if you find something wrong, he will not stop. He will express himself. So there you are. So during the emergency, the doors were opened for him. And this was R.K. Lakshman.
Absolutely.
He was a true blue Indian.
Well, absolutely.
A great son of India.
Yep.
A great loss to this country.
A huge loss.
Great loss.
Huge
Great
loss to a country always seeking its own voice.
My sincerest condolences to Kamla, his dear wife, to Srinivas and the family.
Sudhir Dar, Hemant Borparia and Sudhir Telang, thank you very much. Thank you.